Hello everyone. Look at the question number 37. A tower and a pole stand vertically on the same level ground. It is observed that the angles of depression of the top and foot of the pole from the top of the tower of height 60 meter is 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the pole. So here height of the tower is 60 meter and height of the pole is CD. So this is equal to H meter. So B is equal to CD. Equal irutte. So this is equal to H meter. Okay. So let take BD is equal to EC. So take this as X. Okay. So here, therefore, AE is equal to AB minus EB. AB minus EB. Okay. So here AB is 60 meter minus EB is equal to CD. This is H meter. Okay. So this is equal to AE. Angle ACE. Angle ACE. Angle ACE is 30 degree. Okay. So here EC ಏನಾಗಿದೆ AG ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಎ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಸಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ AC is equal to 30 degree. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಆಂಗಲ್ ADB. Angle ADB is also 60 degree. Okay. So alternate angle. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ GAD 60 degree ಆದ್ರೆ ADB ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 60 degree ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ alternate angle. Okay. So ಈಗ ನಾವು in triangle AEC. In a triangle AEC, tan 30 degree is equal to 60 degree. So tan 30 degree is equal to AE divided by opposite side by adjacent side. AE divided by EC. So here tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3 is equal to, here AE is 60 minus H divided by EC is X. Take this as equation number 1. So in a triangle ABD, in triangle ABD, tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Here opposite side is AB divided by adjacent side is BD. So tan 60 degree is root 3 is equal to AB is 60 meter divided by BD is X. BD is X meter. So X is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 60 divided by root 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So take this as equation number 2. So from 1 and 2, so we'll get from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2, so root 3 into 60 minus H is equal to 60 divided by root 3. So here 60 minus h is equal to 60 divided by root 3 into root 3. Okay, so root 3 into root 3 agate. So this is equal to 60 minus h is equal to 60 divided by 3. So here so 60 minus h is equal to 3 ones are 3 20s. So this is equal to 20. So h is equal to 60 minus 20. So h is equal to 40 agate. Okay. So here height of the pole CD is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ 40 meter. So therefore height of the pole CD is equal to h. This is equal to 40 meter. Thank you.